You subscribe yet?
I'm there for a man, he sit down and know he can't reach the yard. I call him. So you answer him phone. Hello? Which part you there? Why you not come in for last night? Listen me. No me pick on the guy in the reach in the yard. Cause I don't know what kind of work that you do. From last night, you not come in and you come tell me about you there for work. What kind of work? From yesterday morning you left go work. And you tell me say you could come in by 5 o'clock up till today you don't come in. Listen me. Find the yard there, man. Cause right now my blood a boil.
Hello? Miss Grace?
How that?
You talk about who that? Come look at who, man. What you dealing?
How you doing? You know you are going?
No, you are going. I'm Miss Grace. What you talk about? I'm Miss Grace to come check, brother.
Miss Grace, good man. Say you a pink in there no more.
Never hear that. So you talk so like your voice
No,
up, so
cause right now I'm not really in a good mood, you know. Pinky I try to violate my mother right now, you know. So I send me Pinky from here, so, you know. Pinky no live here so no more. I mean, no say you come to Miss Grace, a Pinky I come to, so nobody can use style. Pinky no there. So you know, say you not accept you so no more.
So, brother, all of a sudden you just a deal, Mr. Brother. I mean, I
You
don't
know,
like
say
nobody else, brother. I mean, the same you take give her money for your bike, you know. Remember that, you know.
My youth,
Same
no say
youth,
so,
you know.
man. Remember, you know, are your dues that did pay, you know.
Dudes!
What you mean? You're in a business with my
But
sister.
hold on. Oh God, brother. Yo, where's that while ago? So I selling your sister?
I don't sell me, I sell her. But
So
you
where
know,
do all dudes come from? Where dudes come from in this?
no, but from you talk to one of your family member, them, you know, say you have to respect your other family member them too. So you know, say more you have to do a little transaction
No,
business.
sir, brother, this is not right. Brother, hear me I say. Me I'm moving on.
Yeah, man, because I don't tell you say from Pinky
It's
gone,
alright.
you know you're not for there neither too.
No one of them say our jacket in a brother. Your sister them brown,
Bust
you know.
up your face.
Your sister them brown in a brother. Your jacket, you know. Hey, Fatty. Hey, fatter than them. You don't want to see me, you know. Fatter than them. Fatter than them. What? Yeah, what going?
What your problem? Where do me yard?
Ah, God, me nah no problem, man.
You don't know, say me not like your farmer, me not like none of you. Me don't know why you know always.
Listen what me say. Remember, you know, me come in a family. Me hear for them side of the story. Me never hear your side.
That don't have nothing to do with
listen,
you.
me, man, me just get to find out some ways now of your mother.
Oh, it's too late.
You know
It's
too
a
late.
little too late.
Me just get to find out. But anyway, Pinky, where she there? Come
Nobody can call no Pinky. So me and Pinky and a friend. Me don't know nothing about Pinky.
Yeah, but you not a friend, but you not a sister, you not a blood.
Me and Pinky is no sister. I don't have a sister. You understand?
I want to see baby, man.
I don't have no family. I'm an orphan. You understand?
What do you mean you're an orphan?
I don't have nobody but me and my man. Nobody else. So see if you come ask me something about my man, fine. Nothing about Pinky, nothing about family. And furthermore, when time you look at baby the born and he want to take care of you, run gone.
I don't run gone. I hustle, but nothing never really go on.
Oh, so something going now?
Yeah, me a work, you know, man. So that's why I want to take care of you.
Left from here.
Left from here?
One up on my leg, want to go look for Pinky. You don't know, see if I Chinese Pinky at work.
But that Chinese they will love there with the work of them.
It doesn't matter, you know, me don't know if I'm there with Pinky, you know, my business. And Pinky, I try making little money to mine in Pitney, because you never in the picture.
I feel good enough, because none of you all want to leave me away. Pinky, you are your mother, all want to leave me away.
I know, me and my mother and Pinky are the same thing.
Yo, me I go for Leng wine.
Go on, left from place. You look like a Chinese to you.
Hotter than them, and I feel to leave me someone. That's nothing, man. It's all good, man. It's all good. Talking now. Where you say I go now?
When you say you're somebody? Who tell us say you're somebody?
You know, if you know that, man. Yo, you see that Chinese boy there? I don't like people disrespect me, you know. Because you come in the shop, come talk to you, why you make man disrespect me? You make Chinese boy, you come disrespect me.
If you disrespect, you can't too enough. Father, what kind of cross is this? Don't spin me roll. What kind of cross is this?
No, you come find out to me youth there. Where you there now? Where you live now? Because you don't live up a yard again, you know. But just check your bed, you know. You say you're up there, so I know why you tell me say up there, you know. Where you there now?
I don't want my friend yard.
A man yard you there. But don't know friend yard.
What kind of cross is this for me, Father God? Where you come here to watch me? I watch you come here to watch me.
You ever see me come here yet?
Let me tell you something. You never there before fish have, you know. So why you want to come run in now?
I work you now. That me I tell you. I want to take care of my youth now.
I know you want to take care of him.
Yes,
look at you.
now.
Take a good look for yourself. I know you want to take care of Shav. Look how you look nice. And not even 5,000 you can't send come give me for Shav. You know see your work list.
What list? What list I call it? Who went on a man now work? Me need a work. Me a work now. Some want to see you now.
You want to see him?
You notice me never forward them, me need a work. Me a work now.
Who you want to see?
I want to see the baby. Yo.
Me say, if me ever find out who tell say, I hear somebody there, you know, go nice.
Man. Give baby this, you know, because you're joking. Give you this, you know. Start out something for you, you know. Which one you say there?
Take back your money. Take it back. Take back your money. Take back that.
Yo, no, I'm not take back the money. I'm not take back the money.
If I not 200,000, me no want
this.
Wait,
me not 200,000. That me have right now. Me just get paid on that me have.
Listen to me. Shav there up on my mother right now.
You know up there. You know up there. Your brother tell me say, you know up there neither. Me go up there, you baby not up there. Where baby there? You need to tell me where baby there. Because if the baby last me, if you know.
You know, so me feel like you're silently mad.
Where silently mad?
Your hand mine, you know.
Yo, me not busy what you want to say now.
What the matter no me?
Because you Chinese boy, you disrespect me now.
If this is that this 100, 200, 300 times, 1 million times is that this up.
You make Chinese boy come disrespect me. Eh? I want to see me youth, man. Matter of fact, yo, I'm moving up. Yo, listen to me, I say, hey, I know some money have, you know. A man here, they live, you know, with me youth,
You don't live no man. You want me to prove it to you?
Prove it.
You want me to prove it? Alright, come on. Can you take this thing to Joe? Come on.
Alright, go on now. Let me see. Let me see.
Auntie Novi want, man. Hello, Auntie Novi. Auntie Novi, from this morning you call me, right? And me I tell you, why me I talk to you so slow? Me I feel talk to you slow for you understand what me I say. I have a visitor in my house. Me can't leave my yard with visitor in my house to come up a your yard. And to know if you just understand what me I say, no man, me have valuable things in my house. You get what me I say? So me leaving a visitor here to come up a your yard, that don't make sense. And to know if you cannot wait till the visitor gone, you just have to get somebody else to come up there. Me can't leave me yard right now. And you know, I first you ask me to do something, and me I tell you no, you know. So I must one reason. And you know, yeah. I'm sorry about that, Auntie Novi. I am very sorry, but me just can't come. Me can't go make it. Auntie Novi, what you say, you pay me? Then Auntie Novi, me can never say that earlier. I never know some money involved. So how much we are talking about? So Auntie Novi, me not can come up there for a week, man. No worry yourself, man, Auntie Novi. I got you covered. Me gonna come, man. But guess what me gonna do? Me go have to write one letter, put on the bed. That's me guess feel so me I spend 1 month, but you know I 1 week me I spend. Alright, me I come. Me soon come.
What can I do this now?
Okay, so open the door now. We are lock up in a for with me. Now you lock up in a with me, man.
Yo.
What is this?
So how are your kitchen there?
My friends are gone for a month, so I have to run off the place.
I don't see this. So this sound right, look like a man and writing, sir.
Where you come for do? You come for worry about man? Where
so
really come for do?
So where baby there? Where baby? I don't see no baby. Where baby there?
I never tell you say shop there so with me, you know.
So where
Me
baby?
tell you say yes so me a stay. Now come my mother baby there.
Yo. So I'm not seeing no picture in there. You know for your picture in there?
Now catch a people yard.
Oh boy, it's not hot though.
What you do? What you do? Where you take a shirt for? A shop you come and see her and me.
You come and come see different than a shop.
Hello? No bother with the dirty style, you know? No bother with the dirty style. Because I come now and Mr. Leng walk out embarrass me. Don't do it.
Remember say I'm a baby mother, you know? So me can't do anything. You know what?
Come go on before me take this and lick in it. Come out of my
Come
house.
out of that,
Come out of my house.
I'm tired, man. Where you going, sir?
Hey, me don't know what kind of
Come
cross
here,
is this
come here,
from
let me
the Father
talk to you.
God. Don't touch me.
Yes,
Take your hand off of me.
You know you're my baby mother, man. You're empty.
You know why me left?
Why?
You really want to know why me left? Say you don't know why me left.
You don't see reason, you know, must can't forgive people. Why me I leave?
Forgive her one, but you come here so now. You don't even have no sympathy for me or nothing at all. You come here so I take off shirt. And me you want her, Shavi want to see.
No, it's fun, man. I tell you something hot, you know, so, yo, you know, so hot, man. Yeah,
Imagine, you just left me on my face just like that.
tell us, say, yo, money thing they are beat me, man. And I did kind of guilty one way, yo. You know, so I couldn't take care of him, you know.
And I say you leave him on my face.
And I say leave on my face, but I just, and to your mother again, Miss Grace, a disgrace. You understand? And then now, your brother, from my face, did rate me, hate me.
You and Miss Grace love so much. I disgrace you.
Miss
It's a lie.
Miss Grace don't love me, man. Miss Grace don't love me. I tell her that Miss Grace lock doing on my face. And you know too. If you rate a son-in-law, you can't lock doing on your face. Anyway, you know for that. The tattoo is still nice though. Come here.
Me can't believe
Come
you just come back
Stop
in my
it,
life.
man.
You come cause problem.
What are that, man?
So me ask you one question now. How you plan to stay?
You know what I say, look how so me about the roof and leak. So I know if we could have go and brace that, so you know.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
No, and if you go back in our house, you leak. And if you go back in our house, you leak.
What's a bumper for me? What's a bumper for me?
Sure, I just say I always come with your style. I mean, I like the style, you
You
know.
know that, man. You know someone love you like that, man. You know that already, man. School, man. You know, so you know to go answer.
Come out of my house, dirty dog. Dead dog, come out of my house. Because I see where you try for the net. You know say me love you, you know. You want me job back to you. Come out of my house before I bust in.
Dead dog.
Come out of my house. Oh, you mean dead dog? Come out of my house.
No, so you can't stand me so
Janko, come out of my house. Get up. Come out of my house. Go on.
You
Go
really
on.
leave me so be?
Go on now.
Eh?
Come out of my house. Go on. Nonsense.
It's alright. I can't something for you tomorrow, yeah?
Can I something for you?
I
You can't bribe me, go bribe a girl them. Go
Alright.
on, where you go?
I know where you know. I'm going to look for you. I look for you, baby, yeah?
I move, me I go move from here, so.
We are one family, you know. So, later.
Can't bother with Mr. Leng Leng. Why man, it take so long to give me my money? If me not see puppy, who see puppy?
Baby. What's up?
No, sir, I have to joke thing this. Why are you?
What do you mean what I do? And my family live here, sir. How would you drink beer?
Where you go with big bag?
No, man. Hey, somebody ask me them a full question. My family don't live here, man. Now you have something for there. So I carry KFC here, you know. What me do now?
Where you go?
No, you know, so. Now you see you there. Now you see my son there.
Also your pass.
Thinking, nobody out that, man. Do me a beg, man. Nobody out that.
I want to see where they go. Because I not move from here, so see I turn that
Pinky,
road,
put
I not move.
can the KFC before you get cold.
I might take it dash away.
Thinking nobody out that, man.
What kind of cross? What kind of cross? I might take your music and lick you with what kind of cross is this from my father God?
Sure, man. Come on, man. You can't have things them, man. I must have from my place, man. Cheese and peace. Look at my boy. Oh, let me put it back. Look at my boy. Oh my. Hey. Eh? No, I'm not going to wake him. You can't put on this. Put on this. I'm not going to wake him. Look at my boy. Hey. I say tired. Eh? I say tired, boy. Come on, dada now. No, man. I can't sleep. Me and you over here. I can't sleep. I full time now. When you wake up, you see my father. Smart, man. Face kind of warm, man. Like my favorite face you put in.
I say expect to leave.
You just a think too hard. Why you just paper, man?
I said, don't touch me. I say expect to leave. Carry a big dirty bag coming after go moving.
Go eat chicken. Go eat chicken and enjoy yourself.
Imagine.
Watch out. Never go in the same shot. Same color shot. You work like it. No, so we don't forward.
Don't wake him.
Yeah?
Don't wake him. Because you never there before, so don't wake him. Nonsense. Imagine my friend take me up and put me in a sun. And you want to go moving. That don't look right, Jay.
No, man. Watch out. Me and your friend can stay here. No big deal. See when she change, you go out, that's all.
And where you sleep?
Which part she sleep? Which side of the bed she sleep?
Everywhere. On top of me too.
Oh! You're lucky.
But that's not right. Right now she gone for 1 month.
Then that not long. You say long, probably can be like one next room around by the time come back. Come remember some down at D&G now. I'm a virgin have a big contract when say you know give me some plumbing work. So we can build on something around there. Alright, man. It's just that if she sleep here, so maybe sleep here.
Side of who?
Eh?
Side of who?
Then you know go sleep here, so when baby there and the baby sleep here, so.
The outside of you, man. You sleep here, so and the baby sleep side of you, and me sleep over here, so and she sleep over there, so. You're too outside.
Like
you're very disrespectful, you're too outside. You can't come in a woman's place, so you want to go sleep on the woman's bed.
Hold on. So why you don't want to sleep here, so and she sleep here, so? You're going to make me get serious now. That no look good. Why you don't want to sleep there, sir? And she sleep there, sir. After me say, me would have sleep there, sir. You sleep there, sir. And the baby sleep there, sir. Why?
You know, so I've been asked Father God what me doing in my life.
You don't do God nothing, man.
I've been asking what me doing.
So your baby father come back and I want my family.
Right now, me not think you're a baby father. You look like a sperm donor. Because I don't know what is for now.
Sperm donor?
What you did that do for
you? You know some boy favor me. Look how you favor me. Look how you favor me. Look how me just nice see him shot in my youth.
Gotta go twist your mouth. Favor who? You?
Yeah, I think it's easy.
Let go off of my hand. Alright, here what?
Yeah.
I don't want to forget disrespectful to you. Because I'm not like you. Only one night I can stay. That's it.
Yay! That sounds good. One night nothing. Right? After that, you know, step outside my bag. But you want to for that. Go eat something.
I may have done a few things that shouldn't really matter. Don't blame it on the music. Blame it on a terrible dream I had last night.
Oh, so bright. Girl, let me so far.
What do you mean by what me a lick so far?
Girl, not do that. Not do that. No papa can for me. You're bright.
What make your place look so?
Girl.
All the pillowcase, come on, 5 pillow, a book left there so me.
Girl,
get up, man, get up.
Look for me head. Look for me head.
Hello.
You must be mad. Get away. You must be mad. You can't come in here deal with. Get away. Look for me head, girl. Look for me head right now. Girl, right now, if you tell the truth, me do in a good mood. I'm stressed right out. Here? So just mind how you approach me.
So cheers.
And you place me there, but just mind how you approach me. Because I just stuck up my bag and just left your place. Anyways, you see how Marika deal with me if you say me and her a friend? Oh, me feel like say me and Marika was so close and she disappoint me like this and put me up. But I see sometime.
Hello.
Like, you know.
Listen to me now. Me come here talk about my place and you tell me about Marika this, Marika that, and me place me a talk about.
Tia, From your see place look so dirty and ragged. You know, say I stress there look at me head. Right now, me have bigger things to talk to you about, so just come.
Hello.
See the
And I'm stress and nasty.
Tia, come here, so. Can you see today? Me more join church. Just come here, so me tell her something. Come now. Me put over here, but like
Suppose me they come here with one visit.
I just that with the after, isn't it? So they got 3,000. Come here, so now, my friend. Me have seen if you talk to you about very, very important. Come here, so.
Me I talk about my place first. Suppose me they come here with somebody.
Lord God, man, Tia, stop talk about place and me soon get up onto the place. Come here, so now me have bigger things to talk about. For you hear me so urge, me have bigger things to talk about. Sit down right there, so. So you don't know, say, for me baby father, come down at my workplace, disrespect me in front of Mr. Leng Leng Wa. And guess what? Him no fi come round me, you know. Because about 1 year now, me not see that man. He never do nothing for shove. He no give shove nothing at all. So me want to know what him a do back here so in my life he come possess me. Instead of me have to spin me roll and I see what kind of cross is this. But me want to say to you now, say, me want to know who tell him say I've done a Mr. Leng Leng want me a work.
So girl, you don't know. You don't know who tell him. Is either your sister or America. Come
You're
on,
right.
think.
Yes, you're right. Watch me and them.
Girl, and other thing about your brain for?
Girl, me a bust me break. The boy can link me. I take off shirt. Me a feel say, who you can look for? Me or Shav? I'll bump you and my bust in my face. Me when you do them something, them I used to them something they a bust bump in a man's face.
But him bright though.
Come and take off shirt. Look how much girl me have to take up one long piece of sin and knock him out, shove him out the door into the outer. Don't be afraid, talk it out.
He's very
Very
outside.
outside.
He's presumptuous.
Very,
No,
very,
sir.
very, very demure. Girl, I'm very appreciative of how you deal with me. Because you never did have to put me up, you know. You never did have to put me up. But I can't believe that some America do me. But anyways, give me a call because I have to find out who tell me man say I done this or me did this. So give me a call, I call America.
Girl, that's what friends are for.
Yeah.
You hear me tell you? So that's not nothing. That's not nothing, girl. Make a call. Cause this not sound safe. Alright, go and make a phone call. Me I use the bathroom.
Yeah. Hello? America? Yeah, me come now, me don't at here. Me have something to tell you. Alright.
Thank you.
Oh, come in. The door open.
I want to see me.
I
I want some make I go and some.
Me not go now. You can't sit down, man.
Me a move so like a hypocrite. So make you a phone pop like more friends so there.
Alright. Alright. Me no want to say are you or Alia. Tell me man say shut up, me even know what me ask me man for. I know me man. Tell me baby father say me a walk down a Mr. Leng Leng Wa. I'll give him direction. Say the man come down they go embarrass me right now. Me feel like more and ball. The man come and go
Yeah.
me not say are you or my sister. But me a ask you say if you tell me baby father say me walk down a Mr. Leng Leng Wa.
So that's a really comfortable. If you ask me if I'm me tell a baby father, I'm not gonna say baby father.
So me a ask you say if you tell him.
Girl, me not see a baby father. I'm not tell a baby father no. Don't mix me. Me and your friend and mother never do that. I mean, no say boy than you feel no.
Never weekend say no. Can you see how Tia take me up and put me up in a so and you as my friend no care me and say you put me up. Eh?
When me go put you?
What you mean by where you fi put me? You mad? You mad? You're crazy, girl. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're mad. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Come on, for me now.
How you look, sir?
How? How?
I don't know, I just have one look for your face, like, and I expect my face to look so after what happened. Girl, like seriously? No, like seriously, Marika? So where the vex with me now? I'm not vexed with you or not in it here, but I just feel a way if you know I say, it will away a friend, right? And Pinky come to me and Pinky say, Marika, no, someone to stay. And I say, Pinky, you know, say you can't come to my yard because everything I go through the bank and something. You know, say me not have no way. And I like say me there yard when you can't come there. You understand? A road me must live upon and you know that too. And the girl begs with me and want to fight me just because of that. You know, must expect me to feel away. And you come in there with you and I grab up and sitting. I part me a try party now. And I grab up. Me just a try party now. But you know so deep in the fight that you don't realize that me just a party now. Listen to me now. You think me no feel hurt? You think me no feel hurt? That's Pinky. When me call my friend, you know, me must say me and her spirit no mesh. You know. Alright, me give her a chance and me let her in a me little tabernacle. Right? 1 week me go find her. And this girl care man. Care what? What you say? I must prank her, prank me. Where come already? Listen to me. The girl care man. Come, if you ever see. She care man and she can ever keep a good place, you know. Cause the place, when we come back, you know, want to see all the place and tidy and stay in America. I lie. And on top of that, you know, want to see the sheet or the little white sitting, you know me at all. Palmy sheet. Right now, I done with Pinky. Me? Not going good. Yeah. Me did a warn you, but you did a listen. You never did a take heed. You're lucky. You know, say because I kind of bad mind to make all of this happen. Oh, bad mind? If me the bad mind, I would make she come in my house. Well, that's true. So but me friend me know say you put Pinky in a fear house and Pinky can't agree. Me just see that help out a situation. The girl no live no way. I don't understand. If I didn't, you would have do the same for you. I know. Well, but that's what friends are for anyway. So, where should they know? She gotta work. I gotta work anytime I feel like. I gotta work anytime you feel like. Then wait there. Papa give me. So, you gotta work anytime you feel like. And what cause that? You and the boss in some dealings or something? No, sir, me and the boss in nothing. You don't know. Sometimes. You don't know. The boss like me like that, you know? And can reason with me or something, so I just do what I want to do. Take advantage of things. That's what we Jamaicans do. You know if you do it though. I can't tell you. You learn to appreciate the little work. Look how long you this song here. Listen, I appreciate the work. If I never appreciate it, I would have left you. But I appreciate the work. Alright. Calm down. Me and have nothing. Good. Anyways, where you just about today? You know what I say? I want guy when I meet other day. Me I meet him up on the road. Me did meet him other day, like we go for one look at date and something. And he see him Pinky. Call me phone. I make him an a fig way. I would just meet up, you know. Oh, cross. Yeah, me tell you say that little girl, they're crossy. And how you know find weird? Oh, I'm gonna work. Master God. Okay. Me just tired of that little girl. Me did tell you, you know. I used to just it to go fi ask me if you put her up, you know. You want next one too, you know. No want she go somewhere. Me not have nowhere can put her. You are next option. So what you want me to do? Me say from me put up a girl, they come like a crosses in my life. I don't understand that. I understand that. Yeah, so you know good. And me will never forgive her if a man come in my house from my bed. When me buy, you know, and me a Pinky buy, you know, and me buy, you know. She out of this, so it's rough. Right, I kick him out the same time as me here. I'm sitting there out of this. Anyway, me have to go left, you know. I can't turn over here so all day. And see man I text me on WhatsApp day. So I must meet him now. So guess what? Try make sure you call me. I'll call her later. Man. Yeah, get fat and run up door. Thank you. Hello? How much more today? You know, so I'm up on my chill spot and I think my introduce you to up here because up here is so cool and nice. Yeah, hold on, wait. Marika have man. No, sir, sign this. Marika plan and me not have no man. You know, kind of thing. No, sir. Pay hide and seek business cause I know me don't know about that the Monday. What a dirty girl. Hello? Yeah. Just come straight up on the road. Yeah, then I take a right turn and come straight up on the hill. You see me? Alright.
Hey, Wagwan, you can get the hug? Oh my goodness, feels so special I get the hug. So this is your place?
Yeah, I have a vibe, I have a buzz, you know?
Yes, no. What's long? Wow, that feels good. Trust me, you see, since I talk like reason, I feel one different kind of sensation in my head. Sometimes I wonder if I'm mad, me and mad or what. Like I try to control my brain. You know what I mean? But I never like how which day me attack and a girl just come face up.
Thank you. I'm a friend. I'm not
You a good friend like that?
No. Not anymore because we fight.
No. You mean fight?
Because me tell her I have nowhere to put her. So she be exposed that I want to fight me, so I fight her.
That sounds good at all, but I just don't like her energy. I'm not really like that and so forth. You know what I mean? Because in the time you have to work with energy with people. You know?
I understand.
So how are you differently though?
I'm great.
Apart from all the mishaps stuff, obviously. You know what I mean? But I appreciate the fact that you spend the time to come with me chill and you camp here chill spot. What a place nice! You're right, you know, cool and nice. Breeze just take your time and blow.
Anyway, so we did a talk other day and you say your relationship complicated, so I understand where did that talk about.
Why you stress about that? You don't have to stress about that. That's something important. Yeah. Right now, we need to just get to know each other, me and you. You talk about all the elements that are important. It's like you mix Milo tea and you go over there to go chop wood. That make no sense. You know what I mean? So we have to just decide what we are doing. Because we're not going to jump in your life and go on like more and say, you have a man, you're nobody, I look you, this and that because you're beautiful. A lot of guys are going to say all these nice things and blow whistle and something there. Not true? Same thing with me. A lot of girls are going to do the same thing. But at the end of the day, you know, if you show me, say you're my number one, you know what I mean? Cut off all ties. That's why I say complicated. Because, you know, something that go on where, you know, complicated. But nothing for you to worry about.
You're sure?
Yeah, me say me sure.
Make sure. So, what are your plans for the year? Wow.
I don't know, I can't show me where you live too fast. Alright, no. What you can do is just understand, say, this is relationship. This is a relationship we're gonna start. You understand me, I say? Alright, you want to start a relationship? That's the first question I should ask you.
Yes.
Yes? Alright, so we could take it from there then. You know what I mean? And just enjoy the moment and so forth. I appreciate this vibe. Energy me work, you know. My phone not ring. One second here. Yeah, what go on? Hey, you're working that place? Okay, what go on? Yeah, my respect, man. Alright. So basically then, they're upon a nice. But they are work right now. But it basically how you want to chat to me now? Alright. I'll just meet me down close to 4 yards or something. Yeah man. Alright? And we can hold a reason. Come have some work for doing that day. Yeah man, cool. Respect. Baby, tell us something. Nobody make me business. Sometimes people want to just know what I want, they can't chat what I want, and people chat too much, and people energy will break down for a thing. You know, that's how the real life situation go. You mean understand me? Do what? Nobody set a face like that, man. If me is serious, me is serious. Alright? So nobody look for me like me, you know, I mean, as I say, I'm going to explain it right beside me. I couldn't never take the card, you know. Not true? I couldn't tell the say somebody else, not true? So yeah, that me I talk about. But here I go, my brethren, he just come down and I'm saying what a reason. You know what I mean? I'm not going to say me a cut with date. I'm going to say.
We never can have a, we never can meet up and spend quality time together.
You know why?
We always have to cut it short.
But you know why?
Why?
When it start good, it start good. Nothing good not come easy, you know. So if me and you just there, so a reason and certain things just go on so smooth, I'm not going to want it. You know what I mean?
Well, alright.
Imagine people put money on the ground and walk the feet. You know how I say people put money on the ground? It's important, not true? Yeah. So what's important, people go, you know, prize up here and all them something. So I'm glad for this moment with you. You know what I mean? It's so special. Whoa. Alright. I definitely want to spend some quality time. I'm going to link up my version and things. So where are you going now?
I don't know. I go home.
You go home?
I go up on the road.
Call me and reach you. Here and we talk.
Yeah.
I just, no. Text me first and then we'll call you. That's one alright?
Alright, anything.
Alright, so later then. Yeah? Well, go on, bro.
We are here, bro.
I'm there, man.
Long time I see you.
Brother, for your show, me just have to just, respond to your call.
You know, I'm there back in the place, my brother, man.
Good to see you, brother. I tell you.
You can't turn them place, my brother.
I tell you, man.
Never see a man turn thing in your own place, my brother.
Brother, I tell you, man. The system is the system. Because things start look up for me too, because I have some little thing I deal with. What? You working now?
Yeah, I work at DNG now.
DNG?
Yeah,
see, you're good then. You're good then, man. Things that look up.
Money I make now.
I mean, back in the place.
One time, I go on now.
I real talk,
You're
brother.
not going on, man, father, man. Because right now, that's why I say, I'm a big mother, you know, I try to link up back with her and things, but I can set up one way now.
Okay. Figure say you have a youth for three, you know.
Yeah, man, I say, man, I'm going to take care of my youth, man.
I mean, man.
Man, never left for youth out, you know.
Man.
Yeah, man.
That's the way to go, brother.
Never.
I see him to me right now, I try to look to you, because I'm tired of them, I say, I'm gelding and them something.
Look
You
to
know what I
youth.
mean? Yeah, man, two youth, man. One youth and a youth, you know. One pit and a pit, you know. I have a pit, you know, and him have to go for stranger yard and neighbor yard, go ramp. Them things are nice, brother. You have one pit,
yo. A long time, I get in still, if you get, you know, still.
Real talk, man, but you don't bother the girl in talks. You know, something like them talk from school days, man. What I'm telling you, man.
But you what I say? Why? As a youth, I don't know when I really know what people for chat to, you know.
A real talk.
The thing about me one way, brother, because I can't see youth, I know that I bother, but you see it bother me, bro. Right now, come and make a mistake.
So make you can't see you.
Hold on, I tell you, say, I can't see youth. Baby mother go on a weird bridging and you see be vibes and something, man. That's me after I say, you better man deal with your sister.
Oh, your sister?
Give me a better vibe. Yeah, sister, you see me?
Sometimes that, alright. You see, sometimes I say, you know, like you meet a girl and then you go home to them family and meet and the sister, you feel like, say, boy, I sister you for David.
Your sister deal me better, man.
You know, deal with the sister then, brother?
Adapt me for the, you know.
Yeah, man, just take your time and work your way in.
Adapt me for the,
yeah, man.
No, but I started already, you know.
You started?
Already, man. But I saw you go, but I have to calm. And make sure.
See, a reason we have to know, sir.
Make sure that she up to you first.
Yeah, you have to make sure.
Adapt me the fun, man. But, so, me come over now.
As I say, there, you know, like me have some little contract thing. As I tell you before, if the DNG thing not work out, you can't come link me, brother, because I have one thing on me run. I try to get me, my brother to come deal with some things.
What you say? What you say want to do?
We deal with, it's a contract for deal with one house and all. And
build up house and
build up one place, one community.
Brother, I'm amazed to you, know, brother.
Yeah, me tell you, because we need people we can trust, brother.
We can build steel bridging and them things, brother. You see it? Yeah.
You remember Dan Poe?
Dan Pong.
Dan Poe. Dan Pong, you know. Dan Poe back in the, he used to run a freeway lane there, so. Drive all kind of things and, you know.
Oh, Mr. Stacy, brother.
Yeah, man, him stay, man, brother.
Oh, yeah, me know him, man.
Dan Poe. It's like, I him know your brother, man, life and things that look up a way where he forward back now and say, he want to help the community, building the community and, you know, for the people and rate. I mean, I said, that sound good. I just want to give some serious money. So I said to myself, say, all right, what you do with him? Say, yo, you want people who can trust, who can have certain things and, you know, and put it in control. Because he don't really like Philip on his scene. He's a brother what?
You know me already.
Exactly.
You know me already. Because you see about the NG now, make a money still no, but see over time thing, I have to really do to make money.
Exactly.
So sometimes I don't know that I want some family time.
Ah,
I don't know.
exactly.
You know, maybe mother for go back. I don't know. So how you reckon was the phone thing set?
Brother, we work as, you know, because we are contract business with you, you know. So we are set it for them. We go home to people, we can come back and, you know,
every evening.
Every evening, brother. You understand? And as I say, you're a brains youth.
Yeah,
you're smart, so you know how to make people
Yo, let me tell you something. Steel work, carpenter work, plumbing work, tiling work, everything me do.
Yeah, I know that, but which one is major?
Which one is major?
Yeah, because you know, you see, last time I trust somebody who can do that, everything, everything get jokes. Because in brain, you know, focus on one and all them something there. You understand me? I say, tile it, mash up and, you know what I mean? Yeah, things now flush. Man come on and say load and tile it and, you know.
You don't understand the work, man.
Yeah, tell you, brother, so, which one is major, you know?
Which one is major, you know? You know, somebody that say electrician.
Electrician. Current.
Current.
Alright, make it current.
Current.
Alright. There was a current at the last part though.
Yeah, man.
I know the first part.
No, what's
you can lead the pipe them and then that.
Someone to get another area.
No, right, I know. So,
but hold on. You know, say I forget. Sometimes I remember. A plumbing.
A plumbing?
Yeah. A plumbing man, a plumbing major, man. You just have me, man. Sometimes, boy, nah, remember.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. When that time come, we show you. Yo, where's you touch the road?
You may touch the road, man.
Alright.
So we are do?
Same number you have?
Same number, man.
Same, alright.
Call me, man.
Yo, confirm, because I don't want you go left. And you go say, wait.
Yeah, man.
Just punch it back in. Because I say me there, I'm a brother, I'm going to come link me because I'm talk some madness.
The right thing, man. Come in, man.
Hold on now. Forget me till the party. My brother now, the reason I need money now, because him now feel say me a scam him. Me tell him about the work and
say, you are no scammer.
Exactly.
And we play football in the community.
Brother, him say me a scam. He come on my woman, he come on my yard and I come check.
Your one brother?
My one brother and I bad up my one and sitting. And I use paintbrush off a woman like you want to joke in the eye.
That's why they say family no, in your dung pal, you know, go down.
Brother, me tell you. My woman have use the broom and whap him and whap off him.
Yo, listen me say, man, but you me say, me I'm moving up, brother, because I like where my dealing is, but me you know.
Up, brother.
Plumbing, me major, you know.
Plumbing.
I'm do steel work, captain work, every...
Alright, yeah man.
You know where you go?
Yeah man.
Me not have to say party. Just link me up.
Yeah man.
So, what's up to the road now? Yeah, tell you, man. You don't go on the road now, because I want to go mash up or something. Yeah, when you come, me collect it, because... Alright, and... Hold on, fatter than them. Look here now. Give me a second. Please, do me a beggar. Do me a beggar. Me not really,
with me?
look here now. I want to apologize. Because you see how me that treat you. I'm sorry. Me realize now say you are the real one. Can you see how I'm to the dog? Go on, man. That's why I just have fun of time a while ago. But look, hear me I say. I just realize say I want a real one them. You see to how your mother-in-law deal with me. And to how your sister deal with me. I know say you don't deal with me, so.
Let me ask you a question. Do I have a mother? Do I have a sister?
Boy, that's true.
Exactly.
You want them?
Me look like me hungry?
No,
you think
but...
me a sweet girl?
Me know. Look here, but me just tell you say you're the real one. So anything I do for you.
Me don't want nothing. Anything me want, me ask my man or me do it myself. You understand?
So you just tell me about your man every second. Me not ask about him. Are you
I just show you say I don't need to rely on anyone else but me, my man, yes. And Father God, nobody else. You understand?
Alright. So you couldn't talk to your sister from see baby?
Yeah.
Please. I'm sorry about
what. You know, the last time me check, me tell her we spot she work, right? Why you not go on our workplace?
I go up there, man, but the China boy around me.
Oh, sir, your customer you make China run you. You know no style. You go in there, go buy something, you must see her. Why you afraid to spend money?
I don't really want to go up there on a style, I just want to see you. So I go in there and ask the cashier if I can see her. And the cashier call the Chinaman instead, and the Chinaman run me.
Oh, look, you know my problem that. Where you tap me for? That you tap me for?
Better than them, I beg you, do man, help me out, man. Because I don't really want to get myself in a trouble. Because I see China come anger me like say, yo, man, nobody. And I don't really want to I don't want to do your sister now. Because I need to see me out now. I don't want to get myself in a problem better than them. Do me a beg you, help me out, man. Do.
Alright, listen
I want
to
to
me.
see you out, man.
Listen to me.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not going to see my sister and talk to my sister. Understand? They say if my sister come to me or come over my yard one day because she ever they come on my yard, I will tell this girl to come on my yard, she ever they come on my yard. They say if you come there, we suggest something. Might be me suggest something to her about it. I not make no promises if I don't like no now. You understand?
But better than them, I tell you say you're best one, you know, you're best. Yo.
It's too late. Look more, I'm done with this.
Later, here.
Hello.
Ah, Jesus.
Yeah, Lord Jesus. Why you tell me baby father say I don't have Mr. Leng want me at work?
So when me dey work, no Leng wa.
Why you tell him?
Your baby father come and me do away in a morning, come a torment me soul And you won't leave, so me have to tell him where you work. I want a problem.
Me and your friend.
No, you pick nipper.
Me and your friend.
Alright, if me
Which
and
pinniper? Where?
If me and a friend, why you pick nipper I do on me
You
yard?
should have run him, you should have dashed dirty water upon him. I don't care. Don't tell him what me there.
You want your pick nipper go start out phone a little.
Don't tell him what me there too out of there. See, you make me go war off the girl like call the girl on me yard and war him off.
Which girl?
In America.
So America have to do with me.
America, your man there.
Same thing
My
again.
friend, and your man there.
Listen me.
Say have something to do with you.
Listen me. This America business nah nothing to do with me. And whether I want to take my man or not, when me go yard, me deal with my man. You understand? So
You
me
still
know
say
it's a
your man.
lie.
You still say your man can come
Tell
like
me
yam
what?
grow in your face.
Some more. So Lande, you pick him for a breed how much ears and gone.
No yam no in my face.
If you
Because me I run him like a dog.
If
You don't run
you
him.
never yam head, you would breed in a first
Girl,
place.
I just want him to tell you, say, keep my name from out your mouth.
And
And the next time I
And
call
that.
back my name to my baby father,
And that.
me and you gonna have you. Girl, bye. Bye, girl.
What happened?
Where you come from?
What kind of question that?
Me need to know where you come from because I do so much things.
Listen me. You know, reach so far. You don't have that authorization there if you ask me them the question there.
Me?
Me a big woman. Yes, me.
So you can't come with attitude now. What you feel like today? You feel like a tonight a problem night again? Every
Listen
time
me now, man. Right now, my brain is clouded right now. You see me? My brain clouded. So nobody come put. No, listen me, man. So you don't have them. You don't have no right to come and go ask me them question there. You know. None at all. No ask me nothing right now because me dey hear some things where me can't put one and one together and make two. Instead of me get two, me I get four. You understand?
So what you talking about now?
Me ask you a question the other day, you know. And you tell me no, you know.
And what?
I know everywhere me go, people look for me and I laugh, you know. And then my sister come to me with the same argument again. And I don't know if I trust you or if I trust my sister, because my sister not tell such a big lie.
Let me tell you something, man. You and your sister need to get back to which partner when they. Uno never attack, uno never agree, because I don't know this girl from me attack.
That's the point.
And when stay in one zone where it was happy for me and happy for you, you realize that, hold on. You realize that since your sister come about, then we have a problem. Why you make your sister draw you out?
That's not my point. The point is, me and my sister not up on a good level, right? Why my sister gonna tell me such a big lie if you try to get me and you?
Because she want to mash up your life and your sister not now going for she.
Me didn't even, what she tell me say girl name? She tell me say you and this girl name. She even got to extend and tell me say I want her friend. I mean, know my sister loyal to her friend, and my sister not gonna tell such a big lie to her friend, from her friend them. So me, you need to get down to this tonight, else through me door.
Through which door you talking about?
This a door, yeah.
Why you keep on going like say every time me talk and have an argument at a time for me come out? Eh?
Listen to me.
Why you keep on do that?
Listen to me, public.
Me feel listen to you.
Listen, me loyal to you, know. But it seems like you're not loyal.
Me loyal to you.
Loyal where? And me I
this-
hear every time me go on road, I see these people. They look for me and I laugh like say, yeah, you have me on road as some butterfoot girl.
Me have you around, but I'm gonna tell you this. Fatty, me I come from far. It's always me and you apart. But you don't realize say you start get so busy since you start work on a ling long.
Oh, so true. Me start work done there.
Listen what me I say.
Listen me,
That cause us to not have it together. You know, that together is what we used to have. We don't have it no more.
Oh,
but that
so-
not say. Me as I said to you, say, you need to look
No,
on
listen,
this.
no. So true, we don't have that togetherness anymore. You gone out the door, through me door. You see, since you gone out of the relationship, you go through me door.
Which through
Tonight,
door?
tonight.
Me nah go through no door.
Listen me, no matter when me get up, you know. Cause you know if me get up, you know, I go pretty. So me I tell you the final time through me door. Through me door, me done. Over. Finish. Just go through me door, no man, it done, man.
I see you take it. Alright, watch where I go on.
What we go on?
Yeah,
Yeah, I shouldn't take back then. I mean, buy them slippers there, you know. Watch ya.
I say you want it? Give me back my sheet. Give me
No,
back
man,
my sheet.
watch ya.
Give me back my sheet.
One with it.
And that.
Go along with it.
Me now come back here, sir.
Me can't buy it. You should have
Me now
broke
come
your
back in your place. That me I tell you.
You have to come back. Go along with it. If you say me can't buy shit.
You subscribe yet?